Today's video is brought to you by cruiseline.com and Shipmate app. Did you know you can research and book your excursions right in the Shipmate app? Click on Explore, choose your port, and browse excursions by destination. It's super simple to read reviews from real cruisers and book your activities right in the app.
We're down in the Kids Center, so we're in the middle age group. So the Guppies are the little ones, and then we're here in the middle age group, and we're gonna show you some footage around, but I wanted to just kind of give you a little sweeping view of how gorgeous it is. Super modern, super bright. There's so many little nooks and crannies here in this age group. There are like separate rooms with different games. They have Wii Dance. They have just tons and tons of video games, you guys. This is crazy, and it's just huge. I've never seen anything like it. It's not like one big long room. It's segmented off into little sections. So we'll show you around.